Good morning, another day, another video, and another learning. For today, we are going to cook white beans. Okay, so there. I have pre-cooked the white beans. So the first thing you do is to boil the white beans up to 1 hour. So now the white beans have been boiling for over an hour, and I put another batch of water and boiled it. So now it's boiling, it's ready to be mixed. Okay, so the first thing to do is to put your onions. Other people here in our country would saute onions, garlic, and ginger. Okay, but let's avoid the oil. And anyway, white beans soup is delicious without oil. Okay, and then I want to put some garlic. Ginger rather. Okay, so we will peel off the ginger. Anyway, it's clean. Okay. There. So, and then pound it. We have our ginger. It tastes good on the white beans, okay? And then we will put the beans, long beans, okay? Just have it like that. And then because it's more difficult to cook, and then the white part of the Chinese cabbage. There. Okay, and let it boil for about 3 minutes, and then we will check it, and then put the other ingredients like the green part of the Chinese cabbage and the chilies and what do you call that, bitter gourd, bitter melon leaves. Okay, so there, it would be a very nutritious soup and a very nutritious dish. This can go with rice. You can put pasta if you want. You can add tomato sauce and then put pasta. Okay, you can make the sauce thicker and put some tomato sauce and put it on your tacos and everything. Okay, so there, let's check it after 2 minutes. There, we're done. So it's been boiling for a while. Now it's time to put the greens of the Chinese cabbage. Okay. I like Chinese cabbage because I have watched on YouTube that it's one of the most nutritious vegetables. Also, here in our country, the bitter gourd leaves or the bitter melon leaves. I'm slicing now the chilies, okay? The bitter melon leaves are nutritious, one of the most nutritious vegetables here. It really tastes bitter, okay? But you should put it at the end so it won't taste that bitter. Okay, so let's put salt to taste, maybe a tablespoon, it's up to you. And then there, black pepper. I like black pepper. And then maybe some basil I got it from the base. This came from my mini garden at the balcony. See, you can have a very, you can save time when you want to eat this dish because you can cook the beans while you are watching TV. Okay, so while watching your television or playing some games or on your computer, you can cook your beans, and then in the morning, or you can store it in your fridge and you can cook it whenever you want. Okay, then put the bitter melon leaves. Okay, and there, for just 2 minutes and we're done. Okay. So there, after 2 minutes, our soup is ready. White beans. You can also put a little sugar if you want. Okay, for the sake of presentation, I would like to scoop them out for you. So please keep on watching my videos, so keep learning some practical tips. Okay, I won't tell a story now. It's reserved for the next video, okay? What I want to tell you is that you don't have to be a religious person to be a good person and to do good things, okay? Religion or believing in God doesn't guarantee a person to be a good person. So there, that's our white beans soup, if you may want to call it soup, okay? That's our dish for today. Okay then, so remember, it's always a beautiful life. Always take care, and please keep watching my videos and keep learning, and share to your friends, and please ask them to subscribe too. Okay, thank you, see you.